hadn't seen my friends face to face for months, and I was so excited to actually go on this picnic with them. Thankfully, the rain went away for the day and we were able to have some beautiful meals outside. It's like, oh, I have a picnic basket, I can pack the meals, and so I decided to like whip up a few things to bring with us. If you're on a picnic, what sort of snacks do you like? Because I couldn't figure out what snacks to bring, so I just brought strawberries and popcorn on the side for like little nibbles in case anyone wanted anything. First lunch dish that I made was a tuna roll with spicy sauce. You could use this tuna mix in so many different ways, but I thought it would be absolutely delicious on a fresh baguette. I also used some Sriracha style kewpie mayonnaise on top, and when you add that on, it was like, just reminded me of like a spicy tuna sushi roll. I placed 2 drained tins of tuna and 3 tablespoons of drained and rinsed cannellini beans into my NutriBullet. I didn't want to turn it into a paste, but I did want to just combine them together a little bit. When I made them again a day later, because Mitch wanted to try them, I also added in some paprika and some cayenne pepper, and it was so good with those. Chop up your fresh baguette or whatever it is that you want to use to make these mini sandwiches, and also slice up about half a tomato. To make them, I just spooned the tuna mixture onto the bread, added a slice of tomato, some fresh coriander and spinach leaves, and then put a drizzle on top of some Sriracha kewpie mayo.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go for it.
Yeah. Waves, shock waves of enjoyment.
Every single time Rachel cooks for us, I'm just like beyond words, to be honest.
Because of the protein and the fiber in this dish, you could absolutely have it as a meal, or you could simply use it as a side dish like we did here. But if you're packing it lunchbox style like this, I'd recommend holding off from adding in the cheese and the dressing until you get there. This chickpea salad is super light, it's tangy from the lemon, and it also has so many different textures that it doesn't feel like you're just eating a boring old salad. I made a dressing with olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and lemon juice and lemon zest. Start by slicing up some Lebanese cucumbers and cutting some cherry tomatoes in half. I used 2 small Lebanese cucumbers and about a cup worth of cherry tomatoes. If you want the full ingredients list, just check the description box. To the bowl, we're going to add cooked and drained chickpeas, the cherry tomatoes, our Lebanese cucumber, chopped parsley, red onion, and goat's cheese. This is the goat's cheese that I use, and it's from Meredith Dairy. It also has salt, peppercorns, thyme, and garlic added in. To make the dressing, I'm adding olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, salt, pepper, minced garlic, and stir it well.
How you doing?
How you doing?
How doing?
Oh dear. I'm gonna be the one to taste test the salad. And your little coconut balls.
I know, these coconut balls are so dear.
Yeah, you can just come over and be my recipe taster.
That is my new job.
And finally, these super fresh chicken rice paper rolls. I feel like these are a fantastic go-to lunch option that many people avoid because they feel kind of like fiddly and time-consuming to make. But in my opinion, they're well worth it. And plus, they'll hold in the fridge for the next day too. So if you want to have a couple of days lunch, you can make it in one go. That morning, I bought some rice paper from our local market, and I thought it would just be such a good addition to the picnic.
Yeah, I put baking paper between them so they don't stick together.
Smart. Mine always stick together. all right, so we got to show the delicate.
Finally, slice some cucumber and grate a carrot. Now, I don't have a circular dish, so I just put some water in a baking tray. If you've never made rice paper rolls before, dip the rice paper into the water, so submerge it on both sides for a few seconds, and then place it onto your chopping board. I like to place it smooth side down, but there's not really like a wrong way to do it. I place the leafy greens on first so the other ingredients can weigh them down. And I like to put my ingredients in the lower third of the rice paper so that it's easier for me to roll up. So I've got lettuce, fresh coriander, some grated carrot, cold chicken breast, which I had already cooked earlier, and our cucumber. I like to do one roll from the bottom and then roll in the sides and finish off the roll. I opted for a pre-made Hoi Sin sauce because I was running low on time, but you can definitely get more creative than me and make your own.
Bit of Hoi Sin. So good, I want to. It was really good though.
If you want more simple, healthy recipes like this, I have them over on my blog, Eat, Run, Live, along with all the nutritional information and tickable shopping list. I wanted to say thank you to Squarespace, my website host, for partnering with me on today's video. Squarespace is an all-in-one website building platform, which I've been using for like 6.5 years for multiple websites now. I think I have like 4 different websites through them. It's the easiest way to showcase your brand, your band, your portfolio, whatever it is that you need to share with the world. They have a world-class 24/7 customer support service team and super streamlined blogging capabilities. They also have really in-depth analytics, so you can see exactly why people are coming to your site, and they have some great new third-party plugins too. It makes it really simple to create a website which represents your brand with their plug-and-play templates that you can customize. You also have the ability to expand on that and edit them with custom coding like I do. Not only that, but they have so many new third-party extensions that you can connect to the site to make the admin side of your business incredibly simple. From accounting software to automatic order shipping, label printing, you can start a free trial with Squarespace today. Start a free trial with Squarespace today to experience exactly why they're my choice of host. And when you're ready to publish your site, use the link in the description box or the one that I've placed on the screen for 10% off your first purchase. I hope you get a chance to try these out, and I hope you enjoy them. I'll catch you next time.